Today we're reading Stir, Crack, Whisk, Bake, a little book about little cakes. Today is a special day. Let's make cupcakes. First, we gather the ingredients: salt, baking soda, baking powder, and flour. Next, we measure the dry ingredients and pour them into a bowl. Salt, baking soda, and baking powder. Oops, the flour spilled a little. That's okay. Let's use our finger to swipe it off. You got a burger for me?
Oh, yeah.
And French fries. Let me put this book down so I can enjoy my feast. French fries and a burger. These are some good French fries. This is a really good burger. It's got lettuce and cheese and a burger patty. And what is that, a tomato?
Yeah.
Woo, and another bun. Gee, thank you. Ooh, that was hot. I need to blow on it. That is some good mango tea.
My
My hamburger. My hamburger. Time to whisk. Let's use the whisk. Mix your fingers around the bowl. Now we measure the rest of the ingredients in another bowl. We have our vanilla, our milk, and our sugar. All that's left are the eggs. Let's crack them together. Crack, 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 crack. Let's shake it up. Let's shake the book to mix everything up. Oh, bread? Where's the meat and the cheese and the lettuce and the tomato? You want me to eat bread?
No.
Carefully tilt the book to pour the batter in the pan. Boop, 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 boop. Now let's send them off to the oven. Wave goodbye. See you soon. They're almost done. Only 10 seconds left on the timer. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beep! The cupcakes are out of the oven, but they're too hot to frost. Let's blow to help pull them off. Ooh, those cupcakes smell so good. I said those cupcakes smell so good. Now the cupcakes are cool. Look who's arrived. A beautiful bowl of frosting. Let's dip our finger into the frosting and swirl it up on the cupcakes. Usually we use a spatula, but for this book, we'll use our fingers. Wow, these cupcakes look delicious, but something's missing. Blow a kiss and see what happens. Sprinkles! The cupcakes are done. Now we can share. Some for friends, some for family, some for you and me. Some for you and me. Today was a special day because we spent it together.
Bye.